Hello. Haven't been talking to you guys for a long time. Hope you guys are all doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about what I have been up to and what is the Cantonese Go Project. So 10 years ago, I started this channel as some sort of tutoring resource for students and quickly pivoted into teaching Cantonese. And since then, I've created many content in helping you and a lot of other people to learn this wonderful language. Now, especially these past few years, I've seen many fellow YouTubers creating Cantonese learning content as well. And I have to say, some of these were done much better and deliver more production value than what I deliver in my YouTube channel. And I actually feel happy and proud about it, as seeing within the last few years, there are a lot more studying materials than ever before that help students across the world to learn Cantonese. So what got me thinking is, how can I help in this new environment? What value can I bring to you and help you improve your Cantonese skills? And this is what gave birth to my new project, Cantonese Go Project. Cantonese Go is a website that I created in the hopes of providing you a one-stop resource you will need to learn the Cantonese language. The website itself is work in progress right now, but you can currently find various types of flashcards, grammar notes, and a Chinese to Jute-Ping converter that will help you into understand the language and pronunciation better. Ultimately, I will also post all of my notes that I have shared with my students before, as well as all of the external resources that I found very helpful for students in learning the Cantonese language. So expect some major updates soon to this website. Now, the URL for this website is Cantonese-go.ml, as you see in front of you right now, and you will also see the link in the YouTube video description below. And no, learning materials is not the only thing that I have in store for you in my Cantonese Go project. I mean, as you can see, in other parts of the internet out there, there are many content websites for Cantonese learning in which you will find heaps and heaps of learning materials. So of course, there's nothing new to that. You see, with any language learning, you will need to practice. And finding people to practice with and learn the language together will ensure your success. Thus, this motivates me in creating what we call the Cantonese Language Exchange Community. This is a Discord server that I have created in which my aim is to create an ecosystem for Cantonese language learners to connect with each other and learn together. Of course, I will be there as well and help you guys in successfully learning this language. You can access the community through the link on Cantonese-go.ml by clicking on the red panel as shown in front of you right now, or you can access it through the Discord invite in the YouTube description below. The road to language learning is a hard and tough one. I know because I am learning other languages myself as well. Thus, I'm trying to help as much as I can for people who are learning Cantonese. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you wish to help me grow this community so that we can all work together and help you in learning Cantonese as well. I will still post videos on YouTube regarding Cantonese learning going forward, but as I mentioned here, growing the Cantonese language exchange community is my biggest goal right now as part of my Cantonese Go project. So if you want to help me in helping you, join my community, promote it, and make it available to everyone who wants to learn Cantonese. Thank you, and I wish you good luck in your Cantonese learning journey.